Good afternoon, everyone. It's great to be here. My name is Houston Frost, CEO of Akimbo Financial. Most of us here are at least somewhat familiar with prepaid debit cards. The prepaid industry is large and growing at a rapid pace. Much of this growth is actually being driven by new adopters of the product outside of the traditional unbanked demographic. These new adopters include young adults aged 18 to 30, and also many currently banked individuals that use prepaid as a companion card in addition to checking and savings. Sometimes it's used for budgeting and traveling, but quite often it's used to help share or give money to friends, kids, and family members. We're here today because we want to work with banks and credit unions who are looking to enter the prepaid market and offer a unique and innovative solution designed specifically for these next generation prepaid users. The platform I am about to demo powers a turnkey prepaid solution for financial institutions that can be implemented in 30 days with absolutely no cost, providing your bank customers with a one-of-a-kind prepaid card and your bank with an additional revenue stream. So let's go ahead now and move on to the demo. When I first log in, I see this home screen layout. You can see my name and Facebook photo on the upper left, recent transactions on the below that, and on the right-hand side, these various icons represent the most frequently used features on the product. Each transaction is clickable, so you can see additional information and even go in and personalize these transactions with messages and pictures. The tabs on the upper, on the top here will take you to additional functions and also information. So for example, when I click on the Load tab, my functions on the right now change to show all the load methods on the account, and the transactions on the left are going to show only recent deposits to the Akimbo card. You'll notice here that we have designed this prepaid card to work with your external banks. You can link checking and savings accounts, and you can set up one-time loads and also automatic loads to the card. To move on to something that really makes Akimbo unique, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Subcard tab here, and hopefully I'm not running into connectivity issues. Let's so to go to the Subcard functionality, Akimbo allows you to create up to 5 additional subcards with any name. These are perfect for teenagers, students, household helpers, and even staff members. So let's imagine I'm a customer of your bank, and I'm a family man, and I've signed up Akimbo to give cards to my kids and also for household expenses. So if I click on the Add Subs card because I want to create a new card maybe for the babysitter, all I need to do is provide a first and a last name, click Next, review this, and now Akimbo is going to mail me a new Visa card with that name on it, and I'm going to have the ability to manage this account right here within this system. So you can see here that I've got a number of accounts with names and balances. If I click through to one of these accounts, for example, Carmen's account here, I get to review recent transactions on this, and I also have various functions I can perform on this subcard. So I can disable the subcard and just as quickly re-enable it. I can do an instant load to this subcard, and I can also set up an auto load or an allowance to these subcards. So to quickly show you how easy it is to set up an allowance, I'll go ahead and click the auto load button. It requests an amount, so I'll provide $20. I then select a source, so I can fund this either from my Akimbo card's balance or from any of the checking or savings accounts that I've linked. So let's go ahead and choose a checking account. We'll start this tomorrow, do this every week until I cancel. I'll then be asked to review these settings and go ahead and click Save. And now it's really a set it and forget it system. The Akimbo platform is going to pull $20 from my checking account every week and load up this subcard. So we've really made allowance easy here. I'm going to now move on to the Network tab. Sharing money on Akimbo is not just limited to subcards. Rather, we have essentially created an entire network of prepaid cards, and you can send and receive money instantly and for free with any other Akimbo member. Remember that Akimbo is not just about providing money transfer. PayPal and ACH can do that. Akimbo provides actual money delivery. At the click of a button, you can deliver money to a friend or a loved one, and they have immediate access to the funds anywhere Visa debit is accepted and at ATMs. So when I click on the Send Funds button, something pretty cool happens. I get to see all of my friends and loved ones that have Akimbo cards. Here in the recipient picker, you'll see that it first shows me my subcards that I've created. In the favorites section below that, I see up to the last 10 Akimbo members that I've shared money with. And then finally, once I've linked Facebook, it's going to show me any and all of my Facebook friends that also have an Akimbo card. So any one of these individuals, if I click on Vinny here, I can send money to him instantly and for free. This is great for your bank's Generation Y consumers, as it really pulls in a powerful social component. It's truly a social debit card that enables and encourages connections between accounts. So the last thing I want to mention about the platform is it is fully responsive. As I shrink the screen size, it will auto-adapt, and I just went ahead and closed the screen there, so I'll have to show you that by the booth. At any rate, again, Akimbo is offering a branded turnkey solution to financial institutions. We believe we've built a one-of-a-kind service that complements your bank's current consumer offerings. So if you are interested, I certainly hope you'll come visit our booth during the network section. And if you want to try Akimbo for yourself, our platform is live and open to enrollments for the public. You can get a card issued by our bank sponsor, the Bancorp Bank, or you can come by our booth and pick one up, and we'll load $5 to your new Akimbo card. So thank you very much.